Oi, you! Yeah, you, scrolling by looking for a smart way to sort your money. Before we dive in, do yourself a favor and click the link in the description below for your special offer. Trust me, you don't want to miss it. Alright, let's talk about Nemo Money. Now, don't worry, Nemo isn't some lost fish with a wallet. It's actually a clever app that helps you manage your cash without all the confusing finance jargon. Imagine if your money had a sat-nav, right? That's Nemo. It tells you exactly where your cash goes, so you're never left wondering, where did my tenner go? Again. So how does it work? Once you sign up, Nemo links safely, emphasis on safely, to your bank accounts. It then tracks your spending, sorts it into neat little categories. Think food, shopping, bills, or that cheeky takeaway you promised you'd only have once a week. With all your expenses laid out, you get a dashboard that's clearer than your mate's new specs. You see what you're actually spending, and where you could save a bit of dosh. But wait, there's more. Nemo isn't just a digital bean counter, it actually helps you set savings goals. Fancy a holiday? Saving for a new gadget? Just pop your goal in, and Nemo nudges you along, showing you how close you are, without any guilt-tripping promise. Plus, you get real-time alerts if you're about to go over budget, so you don't end up living on instant noodles until payday. And the best bit? It's all super secure. Bank-level encryption and none of your personal details floating around the internet. So, you can focus on your goals without stressing about security. So if you're ready to level up your money game and actually have fun doing it, hit that link in the description below. Your wallet will thank you. Cheers for watching.